खराब हो गया फिर से करना पड़ेगा बेटा। एक तो हंसती नहीं रुक कितने डम लग रहे हैं हम। इधर देख, when the devil can't reach you he sends a cancer or Gemini. Tommy baby, is that a pig? दिखता एक्चुअली में होता ना। Is that a chicken?
This video is all about two bitches laughing while looking at each other and caking their faces. So watch it, or else shame on you.
Hi guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja, and for today's video I have a very special guest on my channel. As you guys can see, she is my friend, my classmate, schoolmate. Her name is Vanshika Sharma. Her Instagram is going to be in the description box, so you guys can go and follow her. A little bit about who she is, how do we know each other. She was in my school. We were into different streams
and we never talked and
like
we used to
बहुत दूर से कभी हेलो हाय यू नो लाइक अभी आपको
like एक दूसरे को दूर से देख के बस
we used to just observe. And who is she, what she does is she's an art student. Back in the day वो art student थे and she's a graduate हूँ. हाँ, and she's a graduate in
bachelor's in fine arts.
Yeah.
And I'm a graphic designer, illustrator. I do set designs and you can see my works.
Like we were thinking to collaborate since so long because हमारा जो vibe है and जो
like
artistic understanding है, it's different but
then
still
it collides like at some point.
But for today's video we have a little twist. Our looks and everything is inspired by our horoscopes. So in case you guys don't know, I'm a Piscean, she's a Cancerian. So उससे inspired हमने कुछ करा है and I hope you guys enjoy watching this one. So in case you guys are interested in knowing how we got this beautiful face, like please continue watching this video and without any further ado, let's
get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
First up, we'll start off with our makeup. Vanshika can already start. We can't find a foundation shade similar to her very bright skin tone. She's mixing a concealer and a foundation, and I'm gonna be using my good old
Jugaad
Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full plant foundation.
and this is the first time I'm using the foundation, to be very honest. So let's
all the best. अच्छा लगता है वैसे यूज करके हमेशा. देख कितना सुंदर लग रहा है.
देखियो भी लगा भी नहीं.
मैं इसमें ब्यूटी ऑयल मिक्स कर लूंगी क्योंकि फिर
मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया?
क्योंकि मैं
बिगिनर हूँ मैं.
नहीं, क्योंकि फिर मैं मिक्स कैसे करूंगी. हंसी जा रही मेरा. हमने प्राइमर नहीं यूज करा.
If you want to have a look without primer, please contact Vanshika and Tanuja.
नहीं मतलब मुझे इतनी खुशी वाली एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है कि मैं आधी चीजें तो लगा भी नहीं.
लगा ही नहीं. मतलब खुशी से हमारा मेकअप
हो जाएगा.
मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, जब बंदा अंदर से खुश होता है ना तो चेहरे पे वैसी खूबसूरती आ जाती है. तो लाइक इसलिए हम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं मेकअप पे ना.
ये वाली लाइन हर चीज पे चलते हैं. प्रेग्नेंट होए तो ग्लो आ गया, प्यार होए
तो शादी हो रही है तो ग्लो आ गया.
हर चीज में ग्लो आ जा रहा है. नहीं
ब्रेकअप होए तो ब्रेकअप ग्लो. धक्का
कुछ नहीं होता.
इतना कुछ हो गया मेरी लाइफ में, अभी तक ग्लो तो मतलब
आया नहीं.
Now
I'm going to be using a concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal HD.
So now I am color correcting that I have never done in my life.
वंशिका का काफी कुछ फर्स्ट है ये, so अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे.
Including this YouTube video. ये निकल नहीं रहा बहन.
ये देखो इसमें बहुत सारा है क्योंकि मैंने यूज बहुत कम किया, लेकिन ये हरकतें कर रहा है. और इसको प्रेस करते हैं बस.
मेरे को भी देखना था. इनको दिखाओ. यार ये ऐसा तो कैंसर पे भी था. ये क्या कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ?
सेम
यार कैंसर होते हैं बड़े सॉफ्ट एंड लाइक इमोशनल और सेंसिटिव, ऐसा बोला जाता है.
तो पाइसेस के लिए भी यही बोलते हैं. एक तो स्कैम है. Pisces like to surround themselves with honest, positive and happy people They already have enough problems and don't need any more negativity. Powder.
पाउडर लगा लो.
Powder. I used to say powder.
I'm a savage.
My favorite and the only bronzer I own.
मैं कंसीलर्स की बहुत सारी लेयर्स लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि कोई भी मेरे कलर के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा.
हमारे पास इतने सारे हैं, अब कोई मुझे अच्छे लगा लो.
कितने प्यार से बात यार. आखिरी बार मेरे से इतने प्यार से बात एक बंदा मेरे को ट्राई कर रहा था पटाने की, उसने तब की थी करने से.
पर मैं नहीं ऐसी हूँ. तो दिल तोड़ने वाले. Pisces never break hearts. They're always mending hearts. मैं आज यूज करूंगी ब्लश स्टिक.
I tried so hard and I'm not so
मेरे को तो lyrics भी नहीं आते.
In the end it doesn't even matter.
अब देख.
So it's Nykaa's foundation stick in shade 7 Toffee Chisel that
चिजल कर लो भाई. मैं अपनी नाक काट रही हूँ, मतलब
काट दिया.
I'm just setting my nose यार. Okay, another Pisces fact. Pisces are often called the crybaby of the zodiac. What's new? What's new? While some do cry a lot, it's much deeper than that. Yes, they are extremely empathetic.
Facts.
They are extremely empathetic. I am.
You are.
They feel others' pain like their own, and it's very hard for them to not to react. It's freaking true. It's a good habit to be empathetic, but कई situation में ना.
हाँ यार जरूरी.
अब जैसे इंडियन आइडल पे कोई बंदा अपनी स्टोरी बता रहा है,
हाँ.
फिर मैं रोने लग जाऊंगी.
हमारा पूरा परिवार बैठ के रोता है, मतलब चाहे सबके साइंस अलग अलग है. इंडियन आइडल ने तो ना वो बनाया हुआ है.
कोई मूवी हो,
कोई मर गया, कोई मूवी में कोई मर गया. ये कैंसर एंड पाइसेस मर गए.
इतना रोना आ रहा होता ना मुझे. Okay, famous Pisces are Justin Bieber, Rihanna, Riri, Chuck Norris. ये कौन है? I don't know.
एक तो यार इंडियंस दिखाओ भैया.
आमिर खान, कंगना रनौत.
Oh my God. Sorry दिलजीत, तनुजा,
अनुपम खेर. अरे हमारे अंदर एक फैक्ट पता है क्या कॉमन है? We are both lefties.
लेफ्ट. ओए हाँ, लाइक और हमारे देखो टक्कर नहीं हो रही है. हाँ तभी.
Best part. Brows.
यार बेस तो ठीक हो गया. लाइक एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था मुझे इतना.
कोशिश करना हो रहा है तो ठीक है, वरना मैं दूसरा दे
नहीं नहीं हो जाएगा. You just have to brush your eyebrows like this with your brother's hair gel that can be like 2 years old. We don't care. It still does the same work. It does the same work, bro.
And now I'm gonna start with my eyes. यार, it's been a while.
Eyebrow product है.
एक ही है.
दे दो.
हम सालों से वही यूज कर रहे हैं. Guys, I'm picking up orange shadow and I'll start packing it on the outer part of my eye. I want my orange to be bright and curvy.
मेरे को चाहिए
Fade out हो गया.
blues. I was thinking I can do something like this.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
है ना?
ये मीम भी है ना?
हाँ.
You're so pretty.
So pretty.
I'm gonna cut my crease.
Oh. अच्छा चलो कैंसर के element water
Okay.
and the quality is cardinal. Color is white. But my
Base
look will be blue because water और moon और like pearls और moonstone इन सब का मेरे को blue और white के साथ कुछ play करना चाहिए है ना?
Yeah, but मैं तो Pisces हूँ, तो फिर मैं वही करूँगी जो मेरा मन कर रहा है. I'm actually going to be using blue and orange, so.
Why I love being a fucking Cancerian. ऐसे like लिख देते हैं ना जो we are fucking unpredictable. Am I gonna cry? Am I gonna curse you out? I guess you won't know it. You won't know it, Tanuja.
But please don't curse me.
I may cry, Tanuja. I guess you won't fucking know. मतलब इन्होंने इतना वो दिया होता ना जोर. Like I'm the bad bitch. I can cry, but I'm the bad bitch. ऐसे बताया हुआ है. And cancers are badass because we wear our hearts on our sleeves. and we constantly take punches and bullets people throw at us. Cancers are going to come back 10 fucking times stronger. The best of friends, and we make the best fucking chocolate cookies. I don't know cooking, bro.
She didn't call me cookies, bro. None of them. Not only a single cookie.
Now I should just start my look because Tanuja jeet rahi hai.
I don't know. I'm just quick with my
I'll just
makeup.
go with some little blending blush.
Oh yeah, I hope you सही चला.
आंटी ने चावल डाले. सुना तुझे? गुज़.
You look so pretty. ये वाला यूज करूँ कि लैक्मे वाला? I think this क्योंकि I need precision. प्यार हुआ है, थोड़ा है बाकी, थोड़ा तैयार हुआ है, थोड़ा है.
Like काफी बाकी है वैसे तो, like you can see that.
क्यों? उसको ठीक भी मैं ही करूँगी. चले तेरे मेरे got carried away. Spoiled my liner.
यार लिरिक्स भूल जाती हूँ, कैमरा के आगे शीशा ले आती हूँ, मैं बन जाऊंगी यूट्यूबर जरूरी.
बस ठीक है.
Like the day I am on YouTube, guys,
It's over. It's over for everybody.
Finished for everyone. Yeah.
I need to just curl my lashes, put on some mascara. Yep. One fine day, I'll stab my eye with this. Go with this nude lip liner.
Oh.
Sort of nude color. I'm gonna be using this Lip and Cheek tint by Lakme 9 to 5 because I want a natural lip today. So I'll be putting on my gloss over it.
नायका की निन्नी निन्नी वाली try करें.
हाँ. I'll get those.
Lipstick in the house, bitch.
I like him. Like him too.
He my man. He my boo.
I want him too.
Like him too. He my man. He my boo.
Yeah. In order to look this, your hand has to look like this.
Oh yeah, huh?
Moving on to my highlighter, for which I'm gonna be using Oldie and Goldie, my K-Beauty highlighter. It's very pretty and I would highly recommend you guys to get this one. You need some highlighter in your life.
I like the color.
Sure? It's pretty. I'm done. Mic drop. Kylie
So
shade.
cute.
Kylie shade.
Yeah, baby.
Mini.
lip color.
Yeah.
Comedy.
I know.
Look में.
Looks good.
Highlighter और blush चाहिए अब हमें. Liquid highlighter है हमारे पास.
Yes! Oh my god, yes! Yes, Dorothy! Oh my god, we're running out of battery. So that's the completed look, you guys. हमने बहुत बकवास करी. We had such a good time and this is the final look. I am a Piscean. She's a Cancerian.
So I picked these soft colors, pinks and purples with a little blue because Cancer is for water, moon, celestial bodies and all the pretty shit at night. So, and I did this graphic liner and
And she pretty much nailed it. It looks so pretty. Like, मैं once more करूँगी. Oh my god, you look so pretty! And since I'm a Piscean and I also have a lot of things related to fishes, waters and everything else, so I did this sort of a blue look but with hints of orange in it, and I think both of these colors complement each other very well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching both of us blabber together and it was such a good time to have you on my channel.
And it was the first time I met her, so I don't know, like the vibe was another level.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, ta ta, and namaste.